I'm a holistic veterinarian, and that means that I want to keep animals, horses specifically, well. So I'm in the business of wellness. A lot of people don't really understand that, so I liken it to a car battery. And you know, a car battery, we hope that it's over here, that it's running and recharging all the time. But there comes a point where it goes across that line, and then it's discharging. And maybe you can jump it, or maybe you can't. And so in wellness, in my paradigm of wellness, over here is healing, growth, and repair. And that's where we want to be, us, ourselves, our dogs, our horses. So my job is to get people's horses over here. If you cross that line, you're in stress, imbalance, and dis-ease. And that's where you get into problems, lamenesses, sicknesses, illnesses. And that's the same with horses or humans or any living creature. My whole intention with all the work I do, whatever I'm doing, is to get the horse here and help people keep them here with herbs, nutrition, homeopathy, chiropractic, acupuncture, whatever postural rehabilitation I might recommend, or even simple exercises like we talked about on the treadmill. If they're in healing, growth, and repair, horses and all living things have an innate intelligence, and they just stay well. That's homeostasis. That's how our bodies were designed. We see horses traveling. The level of horses I work on are flying a lot to Europe, to Florida, back and forth, traveling in trucks and trailers all over the place, horse shows. They have stomach ulcers, they get hind gut dysbiosis and systemic inflammatory problems, and it just compounds, and they're just here. And a lot of reactive medicine is just getting them here for a temporary time, right? And fixing them up a little bit, but never treating the underlying problem. So they just keep staying here. And my goal is to keep them here and to know the warning signs. And if my ideal client, before they get here, they come and see me and say, it's time for you to take a look at Molly. I want to keep her over here. I want wellness. And then ultimately, the relationship with the human, the relationship that the owner and the horse have, is a lot more sacred and more powerful and wonderful, because they're not dealing with all the problems and the drama and the blah, 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 and they're just celebrating a happy, healthy horse. And, it actually they reflect each other. So we're looking for healing, growth, and repair. So that's wellness. That's proactive medicine. So that's what I do as a holistic vet. I have the best job in the world.